everyone, so today I got a package from Deliteful Boutique. Whoa, it's so big. She gave me this really cute Deliteful Boutique bun. She also gave us a note. It is so pretty. Here is the humongous tag. Here is the chain. I think this is their new Polymer character named Chica. I have no clue. So slow rising. Here's the squishy. It has the little lemon head. Super cute. It also has the Polymer licensing. It kind of smells like I Bloom grapefruit. So this is everything that I got from Deliteful Boutique. I definitely recommend their shop. And the Squishy Dares video will be up soon, sometime next week. Bye!